Humanity is busy right now. Please leave a message at the tone.
Hi there. It's been a while since we've been in touch with each other. And I hate to be a burden, but I need your help. I've been around since before you were born, long before you were born. And I've never felt as sick as I do today. I fear that without some help, I won't be getting any better. I am nature. I have evolved for over 4 billion years to become what I am today. Lately, though, I've been struggling to maintain. Your family is growing each and every day. Right now, there are 7,614,848,163, 64, 65, 66 brothers and sisters. I provide for each and every one of you, but I am getting tired. I give everything I can, everything you need. But your kind is changing me, warming me, using me, eradicating some of my most majestic creations along the way. Your kind is killing me. But I'm not dead yet. I am a fighter. I'll keep spinning and racing around the sun to give you light. I will keep going for as long as I can. However, I can't manage it by myself. Now, it is your turn to help me. Be responsible and take care of me, your home, your resource, your mother, your everything. I am Gaia, the mother of all living things. You've all come from me, and someday we'll all return. But now, it's on you to take care of me.